We have a register now. Anybody, I think the chiefs are here and the police. Now, a person who commits those offenses, there's a register, your name will be put. And I'm going to try and persuade the Honorable, the Chief Justice, that we also make for them tags.
I think there is in the CIDP, which is our County Integrated Development Plan, plans to establish shelters in Siaya that will be able to do what Justice Oko was saying in terms of just taking care and making victim-friendly services available.
We are working on a strategy to go to the people and talk to them, to find out or to encourage them that we should not have these injustices which tend to target young people and our women.
We designate the Siaya Sexual and Gender-Based Violence Court, the second one after the one we launched in Mombasa last year, as a clear demonstration of our unwavering commitment to eradicate atrocities from our society. This specialized court is one of our strategies of ensuring that we dismantle formal, informal, and systemic barriers that prevent victims of sexual and gender-based violence